The useContext hook in React is a powerful feature for managing state and providing it throughout your component tree without needing to pass props down manually at every level. Here's a basic overview of how it works. 1. Create a context. First, you need to create a context object using react.createContext. This object will hold the state and provide it to the components that need it. Import React, create context, uses state from React. / create a context with a default value. Const my context equals create context, default value. 2. Create a provider component. The provider component will wrap your application or part of it and supply the context value to its children. Const my provider equals children equals const state, set state equals uses state, initial state. / update state function. Const update state equals new value equals set state, new value. Return my context.provider value equals state, update state. Children / my context.provider. 3. Use the context in a component. You can use the useContext hook to access the context value in your functional components. Import React, use context from React. / use the context. Const my component equals const state, update state equals use context, my context. Return div p current state, state / p. Button on click equals update state, new value, update state / button. /div. 4. Wrap your app with the provider. Make sure your provider component wraps the part of your application where you want to use the context. Const app equals my provider. My component / other components / my provider. Summary. Create context, creates a context object. Provider, supplies the context value to components. Use context, consumes the context value in functional components. This pattern helps in avoiding prop drilling and makes it easier to manage and share state across your component tree.